Ken Nielsen, Kinross Cellulosic Ethanol is our next speaker. We've been watching this project a long time, Ken, and looking forward to it.
All right, thanks, Kim. And thanks, everybody, for having us here. My name is Ken Nielsen. I'm VP of Operations for Frontier Renewable Resources. My background, I'm a chemical engineer from Michigan State University. I'm a registered professional engineer in the state of Michigan. I've been involved in the forest products industry for well over 30 years and have done plant operations, wood procurement, as well as capital projects. So I have a very varied background. So one little anecdote from the international status here. According to family lore, my maternal great-grandfather actually walked across the Ambassador Bridge a long time ago and entered the country illegally. And we believe he was plastered at the time as well. But they did stay here. And my mother was almost born in Canada, but she was actually born in Detroit. So we're very close, and we have a lot of relatives on the other side. So actually, there are two of us here today. Alan Belcher from Mascoma Corporation will present half of these slides, and I'll let him do his bio at the appropriate time. So Frontier Renewable Resources is a partnership between Mascoma Corporation, which is headquartered in Lebanon, New Hampshire, and Longyear out of Marquette, Michigan. And Mascoma is a renewable fuels company, and they've developed innovative technology for low-cost conversion of abundant biomass. They've been demonstrating this performance in a pilot plant in upstate New York since 2008. Longyear has been in business for over 120 years, and they are a natural resource-based company. Core focus on integrated national resource businesses, upstream assets, and downstream operations. Longyear is a leader in forest management, sustainable harvesting, and forest and wood certification. Our Michigan project scope is a commercial scale cellulosic ethanol plant with an initial annual capacity of 20 million gallons using sustainably harvested hardwood pulpwood. And we do have a MDEQ air permit to install for up to 40 million gallons of production. And the Michigan project location is very, very near here in Kinross Charter Township in Chippewa County. Ethanol is produced from renewable biomass, and cellulosic ethanol is made from non-starch plant-based resources and meets certain environmental factors. It is a non-food source of cellulose to make this ethanol. It is blended with gasoline as an oxygenate to reduce vehicle air emissions. It is non-toxic, water-soluble, and biodegradable, and it displaces the use of toxic carcinogenic gasoline components. And ethanol is an important part of the nation's fuel supply. Domestic production of transportation fuel in the U.S. It supports U.S. energy independence. The Renewable Fuel Standard, or RFS2, mandates 36 billion gallons of ethanol production or biofuel production by 2022, and includes 16 billion gallons of cellulosic ethanol. So our cellulosic product is one of the first in this sector that will eventually account for 16 billion gallons a year. The environmental benefit is a reduced carbon footprint. It's greater than, to get the cellulosic definition, you have to have a better than 60% reduction in greenhouse gas compared to gasoline based on stump to pump life cycle. Um,